Hey there, here we are back in LaGrange and checking on the progress of this major renovation we're doing in an iconic home on Cossett Avenue in LaGrange. As you can see, the floors are in. We had to replace all the floors. They were just in such terrible shape. We had hoped to refinish them, but that's not going to be the case. So we're starting to install the floors, or finishing up installing the floors. Cabinets have been delivered, and we're going to be getting ready to put that kitchen in once we get a first coat on these floors. What else we got here? As you can see, the remodel has been extensive. We've taken out a couple of bearing walls and replaced it with parallels and beams. Those steel posts are structural. They are also decorative, and we are going to dress them up and give it kind of an industrial, funky look in an old farmhouse in LaGrange. Actually, not an old farmhouse, an old Victorian house, but we're going to give it a few twists. As you can see, we retrofitted windows to accommodate the new kitchen design. Island's going to be right in the middle of the space, and pantry and refrigerator over here, more pantry space, and then the layout of the long kitchen here. This is going to remain a open family room. And that gas supply that you see right there and that flue is going to accommodate a new chimney, or a new fireplace, excuse me. We're hoping to have these people in here probably by the middle of February. It's been a long ordeal. We've had to redo everything in this house, from the floors to all the electrical, all the plumbing, all new heating and cooling. Extensive gut job, and these people can't wait to get in. The music you hear is from the radio of the trim carpenter, who's basically repurposing all the old trim that we pulled out of the house and putting it back together again for us. As you can see, this is a door that he spent about 5 hours on yesterday. It's the old door, but he had to repurpose it and put in all new jambs and kind of just recreate what was. It's a nice solid close on that door too. Tile work has begun in the bathrooms. There's our man Jimmy.
What's happening?
Putting together a window jamb for us.
More fun?
You're gonna be famous, Jim. This is going to HGTV. All the drywall has been installed, refinished, and primed, and we will be applying final paint coats on this house as well. Completely turnkey solution for the clients. This is the third floor. This is where the kids are going to hang out. I call them kids. They're actually young adults. This is the attic space. It's going to be one big, wide open recreational space for them. Again, we took out bearing walls in here. When we finished all the walls, this was all kind of unfinished space up here. This that you see here is all new ductwork for a new heating and cooling system that we put on the third floor. It has its own zone system up here. And things are moving along. We can't wait to get out of here, get these clients in here, but it has been a long, arduous process. This has not been a quick turnaround. We were fought we've encountered obstacles every step of the way on this project. Okay, guys, thank you.